5 reasons a business needs an MSP. Our number one reason is expertise. Managed service providers provide expert knowledge and services to businesses for their IT systems. This gives them the best practices and knowledge for all of their business needs. Cost savings. An MSP can save a business money by offering a range of services at a lower cost than hiring an in-house IT staff. Increased productivity is our next one. This allows an MSP to give a business less downtime because we can monitor and maintenance their systems 24/7. And when you have less downtime, you will have less money lost. Scalability. An MSP can scale their services that a business needs, whether it's expanding into a new office or just hiring a new employee. Security. An MSP provides advanced security measures to protect a business from any cyber threats. And these cyber threats are evolving every day, so it's crucial to have an MSP with the knowledge and expertise to keep up with the next coming scam. I hope this video has helped explain why a business needs an MSP. Thank you for watching, and watch out for our next video.